If what you mean is the so-called ice wall from the flat Earth theory, that's not real. According to flat earthers, there's a massive ice wall surrounding the world that keeps the oceans from spilling over. But in reality, what actually exists at the South Pole is Antarctica, a continent covered with ice and glaciers. It is not a wall encircling the Earth. Antarctica has mountains, flat ice plains, and seas much like any other continent, only extremely cold and covered in ice. Scientific expeditions, satellite images, and research stations operated by different countries all prove that Antarctica is a continent, not a mysterious barrier. What does exist are ice shelves, huge floating extensions of ice attached to land, such as the Ross Ice Shelf in Antarctica, but these are not walls surrounding the world. Where the ice wall idea came from. The concept of a flat Earth is an ancient belief, long before modern astronomy. Flat earthers imagine the world as a flat disk or plate. Since there are oceans on this disk, they claim there must be a wall to stop the water from falling off, which is where the idea of the ice wall came from. They point to Antarctica as this ice wall, portraying it as a massive barrier encircling the Earth. Why some people still believe it? 1. Misinformation online. Videos and posts suggest that governments are hiding something about Antarctica. 2. Limited access to the South Pole, since not everyone can go there. It's easy to assume there's a secret. 3. Conspiracy appeal. People who mistrust science and governments often find it easy to believe in alternative explanations. What's actually true? Antarctica is a real continent, not a wall. It has mountains, glaciers, and ice shelves, but nothing like the supposed wall around the Earth. Many countries, US, UK, Russia, Japan, China, the Philippines, and more operate research stations there. Satellite imagery and decades of exploration are consistent. There is no ice wall as flat Earth theory claims. In short, the ice wall is a flat Earth invention, a myth created to explain how oceans supposedly stay in place on a flat world.